Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to cut a video in Capcut. Let's get started. Here I have imported my video to Capcut and we're going to cut this video. And if we want to cut the video, we can simply click on the video like this and we can drag the video to the left like this. And as you can see that we have cut the video, and actually there is another way to cut the video. We can place this parameter to the part that we want to cut. We can go right like this and we can go left, and I'm going to cut this part, so I'm just gonna place this parameter right here, and after that we can click on this split button to split the video. Alright, and click on delete to remove the unwanted part of this video. Alright, that's so easy, right? Okay guys, that's how we can cut a video in Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!